Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into Cardano ADA. Right now we do see $1.89 on the price chart, seeing a 19 to 20% increase, looking very, very bullish in this last 24-hour period. If we actually take a look at the last week as well, we're seeing a 37% increase, and the last month being a 40% increase. Market cap rising above $57 billion. And I think we are going to continue to see this volume as well continue to push up at $4.7 billion right now. We are seeing a lot of hype come into play when it comes around Cardano ADA because of the smart contracts very recently to release and come to the public. And I think, we are going to be seeing that very, very soon. And we've seen Charles Hoskinson talk about this quite a bit recently. And we're going to jump into a lot of different news and different articles today, really kind of talking about Cardano's future and how high we could see this going in the next couple of months, as well as the end of the bull market part two. So we do see great potential in this coin. That's why we talk about it pretty much daily on the channel. So if you guys want to stay up to date with Cardano as well as so many other altcoins across the channel, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. So first off, we see Cardano's ADA surge as much as 22% after creator Charles Hoskinson stokes hopes its smart contract update is imminent. So ADA surged by over 20% in really intraday trading Wednesday to almost $1.80 in its highest in 2 months. And now, obviously, like I said, seeing $1.89, it's great to see Cardano pushing closer and closer to that $2 mark. We'll be able to announce when the Alonzo hard fork is going to happen, and at that point, you'll be able to run smart contracts on Cardano, he said in his YouTube video. ADA briefly climbed to a 2-month high of $1.79 in early trade, marking a 22% increase in 24 hours. So like I said, guys, we are now at that $1.89, 10 cents above what we were previously as our, early trade 2-month high. So it's great to see this continuing to take place, and you can see these kind of headlines everywhere right now. Everybody's talking about Cardano. Everyone is talking about cryptocurrency in general. If we actually jump on over to the next one, we're going to see Polymarket actually called him out earlier, July 15th. So just, not too long ago, less than a month. You know what's really funny, Charles? Cardano is still not having smart contracts. We'll bet you 50,000 on Polymarket that you won't have live smart contracts for Cardano ADA by October 1st. Time to put your money where your mouth is. Charles, winning goes to charity of choice. So it's great to see this. And if we actually click on the quote here, Charles, was not, well, he was actually saying, "You people make me laugh." This is a previous tweet that Polymarket responded to. And then if we actually see the response to that, Charles just put this out today. Should we make them donate to NAMBLA? So we actually see Charles kind of doubling down, saying, Polymarkets, you're wrong. We are going to have smart contracts for Cardano by October 1st. And that's huge, obviously very, very bullish. And I do expect this to continue to push that Cardano price up. We actually have more talk about, we're pleased to announce the 2 IOG research papers are accepted to Crypto 2021 conference. Our team will be presenting work on a rational protocol treatment of 51% attacks and 2 composition with knowledge assumptions. And I think you guys need to realize how big this is. Charles mentions it here. Crypto is the top conference for cryptography papers. It's a great event and super hard to get papers into. So this is a big deal. Continuing to see Charles really light up this place as we continue to see Cardano as well continue on that rise up. So I do want to see a little bit more into this article here. So Ethereum competitor Cardano rallies as its founder teases smart contracts launch. So the native token of blockchain competitor Ethereum, Cardano, surged a 2-month high Wednesday morning in anticipation of the network's smart contract capability finally launching. So this is the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, shot up over 14.5% over the last 24 hours. Obviously, like I said, guys, we've been over 20% a couple times now. Seeing Cardano surge at this insane speed is definitely revolving kind of around hype, as well as, bullish news that, we should see smart contracts by the beginning of October 1st, according to Charles Hoskinson. We see that $1.89, $1.90 range that we are currently at, and I do believe we could see this push to $2 by the end of September. I do want to talk a little bit more about where we could see this by the end of the bull market, where we could see it by the end of the year, but we're going to get to that here in just a second. We also have ADAX have just changed the game, offering censorship-resistant DeFi via ADA. So this is very cool as well. In the history of every successful startup, there comes a defining moment, a moment when the vision of its founders clashes with the impossible and against all odds triumphs by becoming a reality. ADAX, a decentralized exchange DEX with the Cardano ecosystem, has just experienced that moment. We are thrilled to demonstrate a promised 8x innovative protocol will really enable censorship-resistant token swaps within the Cardano ecosystem, make full use of social sentiment-based trading tools, and ensure ample asset liquidity through unique liquidity pools. For the last 3 months, our team of seasoned developers and finance professionals have been working tirelessly to hit this milestone. We are now proud to say that we are on the right track. So it's great to see this platform. If you guys don't know much about the platform, they do give you guys kind of the platform key features down below. So modern UI, UX, effortless token swaps, revolutionary social sentiment trading tools, as well as deep liquidity pools, seamless wallet integrations. And it's just like I said, the ease of use is going to be huge. The utility behind this continuing to show that Cardano's ecosystem is growing in a rapid pace with great platforms jumping in and getting involved. We also jump to the next one. We see new dev blog, how we minted the NFTAs, and why we went for the standard. So tokens built on Cardano are native. Unlike Ethereum's ERC20 tokens, Cardano doesn't require a smart contract. So this is big, and it shows and explains that here in this developer.cardano.org article. We are going to jump back to that price chart, though. I do want to talk a little bit more about Cardano and where we could see that price. I will say, guys, as well, if you guys are not following me on Twitter, I would greatly appreciate it. I'm trying to grow that Twitter following just a little bit. I just put a recent tweet out today. I hope this is something that you guys are doing as well. A great day to sit all the way back in your seat and watch the market. And definitely is. We are seeing across the board more prices that this market hasn't seen in quite some time. So a 2.16% increase in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin above 46.6K, almost 46.7K. We have, Ethereum above 3.2K. Cardano almost to $1.90. We have, Polygon up about 20% as well. Chainlink going up about 26.81 right now. And just across the board, like I said, some great things happening and taking place. I do think by the end of the year, we could easily see Cardano breaking out, making its way to a $3 to $5 price point that I've been mentioning for some time now. I did talk about, September being that possibility of the last really manipulation in the market if we do continue to break out and nothing really occurs of a huge, massive crash or dip by the end of September. I do think we are going to see that bull market part 2 really come into play in full throttle ahead. I think obviously there is going to always have that chance of volatility due to market manipulation. You're never going to be able to really predict that stuff happening. However, for the most part, I do believe this market is going to continue to rise up by the end of the year. Like I said, $3 to $5 within my price range, my price prediction, a very conservative one at that. And I think by the end of the bull market part 2, like I said, prior to this video, I've said a couple times, $7 to $10 is where I see Cardano rising. And I think we are going to continue to see Cardano do big things here in the near future as we get farther and farther into the year. If you guys are excited about Cardano and want to learn more about Cardano, make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I would love to hear what you guys think about Cardano and this most recent price increase down in the comment section down below. And my Twitter, like I said, guys, I told you earlier, CryptoProfitYT on Twitter. You should also have the Twitter link down in the description below. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you all in the next one.